In today's video, I will be showing you how to hide the clock in Windows 10 so that your system clock will no longer be showing in the bottom right hand corner in your system tray. However, this will also remove the date that's underneath the clock if you are going to hide the system clock in Windows 10. All you need to do is go down to your taskbar and right click. Then you need to go onto Taskbar Settings. You then need to scroll down where it says Turn System Icons On or Off, just click here. And where it says Clock, you can toggle it to Off. So if you now look in the bottom right hand corner, it is now hidden the clock for me. If you do want a cleaner look on your taskbar and hide even more icons, you can simply go through and toggle which ones you don't want showing to off. So for example, I've got the speaker icon here, so if I turn off volume, it's now hidden as well. But if you do change your mind and you want to enable the clock again, you would simply go back to these settings and then turn the clock back to on. But that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial did help you. If it did, hit that like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.